everyone, it is your girl Sanaa, and I am back with my cash stuffing video for my pay of May the 24th, 2024, and I am going to be cash stuffing $660 into my wallet for my variable spending. Now, you guys, I messed up by holding out on some payday budgets. I have been using my credit card for all of my spending, which if you check my video for my weekly expenses for the past 2 weeks, you will see that I am still tracking all of my expenses. I am still paying back all of my credit card for money I allotted for my wallet. So this is the ZIPPY Luxe wallet, you all, and isn't she a beauty? I'm about to switch her out though, but this is the ZIPPY Luxe. So I am going to be switching out the ZIPPY Luxe. And let's see what I'm going to switch that into. Okay, so right now, I've already have some money in these envelopes, and I'm going to keep it there. So me money is going to get $250. I am going to get 4 50s, 2 20s, and a 10. And 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 250. The reason I'm giving $250 to me money is because I have some spending I need to do. So let's see, deposit plus 250, and that's 250. I need to cover some spending on my card. I went a little over budget on some things, so I'm just making sure I have the money in my envelope to cover all of that spending I did. Dining out is going to get $60, which is 3 20s. And dining out currently has money, but I find it easier sometimes when I'm working because I work more than one job. So when I'm working, it's easier to just buy a salad than just cook, you know, and a salad is not that expensive. So I really should start taking that out of grocery. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 115, 116, 117, 118. So I have $118, and I just added 60. So yes. Alrighty, and then I'm not going to give Car any money because Car currently has $20, but I am going to take $10 out of Car. I'm going to minus $10 and leave 10, and that is going to go to Buffer. So I'm going to take 10 out and leave that to Buffer because I only need to go to the car wash once this week. So I'm going to take and put $10 into Buffer. I'm just going to sit that money up there. Okay, gas is going to get $40. Gas is a sinking fund, and I keep a balance in gas, as you all know. So let's see where we are. And I actually did get some gas today. So gas, we have 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 185, 86, 87, 88. So I have $188 in gas plus 40, and that's 188. And yes, I like to keep track of everything. And I keep the receipt in the front because I need to write down that I just spent some money in gas today as we speak. Groceries is going to get $150, and so that's 150, and I already have some money in groceries. So let's see what we have. I have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290. So I have 290. Now again, to explain why I have 290, and let's see. So that's 290 and that's 150. That is because, you guys, remember, I took 2 weeks before my last cash stuffing. So I'm kind of covering 2 weeks worth of expenses. I'm playing catch up. And then this still has to take me through the 31st. Okay. So I'm covering money I spent up until the 24th, which I'm going to do my expense and take that out. And then I am going to have money for groceries to take me through the 31st. Now, I did lower my food budget when I did my monthly budget, but I don't know if it worked out that way. So I'll go back and show you all. Okay, so groceries $150. Household is going to get $50, and I'm just going to put a $50 bill, and I do have a $10 gift card. So let's see. I am going to put 50 plus 50, and that is the deposit there. And I like to keep track of what's in my wallet. And I do have a gift card. So I really have $60 to spend in household. Giving is going to get $15. That's a 10 and a 5. And giving is a sinking fund. It's for whatever I want to give money away for. I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. I will do it on tips. It's no reason. Whatever I want to give, I'll give. So I'm just going to put that there. And that $10 I am going to put in buffer because I'm going to start building my buffer back up. So plus 10, 10. This is from car. And I'm just writing that down. So I have $10 in buffer. And buffer will act as a buffer for any overspending that I do. So that is it for stuffing my Zippy wallet. I do have one sinking fund that I am going to stuff. And this is for Selfie Sanaa. I want to give $102 into my sinking fund because I do have a hair appointment. So let's see what we have here. We have 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 245, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So I have $250 in this envelope. And let's see. I plus 102, and that is $250. So I'm not sure if that's enough because I needed to get a treatment, a cut. So, self-care can be expensive these days. Not to mention, I got a manicure and pedicure, and I don't have enough in that envelope. So I have stuffed all of my cash stuffing for the week, $667.